In today's Machines Visit episode, we'll explore remarkable machinery from various industries. Before we dive in, if you enjoy content like this, please remember to subscribe to our channel and activate the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. You can also share our channel with friends to help expand our community of enthusiasts who love discovering heavy machinery and equipment. With that said, let's jump right into the video. Konecranes 640 HD. Tough tasks demand robust equipment. You can't depend on underpowered machines for demanding work. That's why, for projects like scrap handling, port activities, or steel mill operations, the Konecranes 640 HD is an excellent addition to your fleet. Konecranes, a Germany-based company, is renowned for producing top-tier material handling machines for diverse sectors, and the 640 HD is a prime example. This machine boasts a working range of 26 meters and can hoist loads up to 40 metric tons. Additionally, it features a hydraulic elevating cab that raises the operator up to 2.7 meters for a clearer view of the workspace. It combines power with eco-friendliness, powered by a robust diesel engine that complies with the latest emission standards. If you need a machine to tackle challenging tasks effortlessly, the Konecranes 640 HD is the one for you. Music. Fontini. Fontini Spa, an Italian company, specializes in crafting high-end bathroom fixtures and systems. Originating in the small town of Pella near Lake Orta in northern Italy, Fontini produces a range of products like faucets, shower systems, and accessories, establishing itself as a global leader in luxury bathroom solutions. Their products are celebrated for innovative designs, reliability, and eco-conscious practices. Fontini is committed to sustainability alongside premium quality. The company has adopted measures like using renewable energy, optimizing manufacturing processes, and promoting responsible water use to reduce its environmental footprint. For those who value quality, aesthetics, and dependability, Fontini is the ideal choice. TWW Log Stacker. If you're searching for advanced forestry equipment, the TWW Log Stacker from Finnish company TWW Trading could be the perfect fit. Designed for efficient and safe log handling in forested areas, this machine eliminates the need for multiple attachments due to its versatile design, capable of managing various log sizes and weights. It features a 10-meter telescopic boom for stacking logs at extended distances and heights. Safety is ensured with a reliable hydraulic system that offers smooth, precise control of the boom and grapple, reducing accident risks. The TWW Log Stacker also excels in rugged terrains thanks to its sturdy chassis and large, high-clearance wheels, making it ideal for remote locations where standard machines struggle. This equipment can significantly boost efficiency and productivity in your operations. Music. Eccentric Ripper. The eccentric ripper is a hydraulic excavator attachment designed for breaking through hard rock. It employs a unique impact vibration accumulation technique to efficiently shatter rock and tough materials. Available for excavators ranging from 8 to over 100 tons, this versatile tool suits applications like quarrying, trenching, demolition, mining, and road construction. Compared to traditional excavation methods, the eccentric ripper offers several advantages. It reduces the time and effort required for tasks and enables precise excavation, minimizing damage to surrounding structures and reducing material removal needs. Woodcracker. West Tech, an Australian company, focuses on developing forestry and construction equipment. Their wood cracker line includes various grapples and harvester heads designed for fast, safe tree felling and processing. The wood cracker range features models like harvesters, multi-purpose grapples, and felling heads. These tools are used by forestry professionals to enhance efficiency and streamline tree removal. Westtech also produces chippers, trailer cranes, and excavator attachments. With over 20 years in the industry and a focus on innovation and customer satisfaction, Westtech has built a strong reputation. Lero Snowblower. Lero, a Canadian company, designs and manufactures heavy equipment, including snowblowers, for industrial and municipal use. The Lero Snowblower is a powerful, efficient machine built to clear snow and ice from large areas like airport runways, roads, and highways. Available in multiple models with varying sizes and capabilities, it's tailored to diverse needs. Known for durability, reliability, and ease of use, these snowblowers feature high-performance engines and advanced technology for effective snow removal. They're also easy to maintain and repair, with safety features like automatic shut-off systems, warning lights, and emergency stop buttons. For top-quality, long-lasting snow removal equipment, the Lero Snowblower is an excellent choice. PR Panther T14R. The Panther T14R is a flagship snow grooming machine from PR, alongside other models. This robust and versatile vehicle is designed for challenging terrains, including rocky landscapes and steep slopes. Powered by a 460 horsepower diesel engine, it performs reliably in tough conditions. Equipped with a high-performance track system and hydrostatic drive, it offers superior traction and maneuverability. The Panther T14R can be fitted with various snow grooming attachments, such as snowplows, snowblowers, and tiller heads, making it invaluable for ski resorts, snow parks, and winter sports facilities. Music. Multi-bar cropper. A multi-bar cropper is a specialized machine used in metalworking to cut multiple metal bars or rods simultaneously. It typically features a series of circular saw blades mounted on a movable frame, adjustable to the desired cutting angle. The operator selects the appropriate blade size and adjusts the machine to match the bar dimensions. The bars are fed into the machine, and the blades activate to cut them all at once. Widely used in industries like construction, manufacturing, and metal fabrication, multi-bar croppers deliver high precision and efficiency, making them ideal for applications requiring accurate cuts and consistent results. V73 Disc Mulcher. Note, the original text ends abruptly without details about the V73 Disc Mulcher. If you have specific information to include, please provide it, and I can rewrite that section as well. A tough and functional skid steer attachment made exclusively for clearing land, the V73 Disc Mulcher is for trees. This mulcher is made to withstand the challenges of site preparation and forestry work, thanks to its heavy-duty design. It cuts through trees, stumps, and brushes fast and effectively because of its strong hydraulic motor and cutting-edge disc teeth. It could be utilized for a range of land-clearing tasks, including trail upkeep, right-of-way clearance, and site preparation. Operators are shielded from flying debris by safety measures like the rear chain guard and front safety door, and controlled operation is ensured by careful attention to cutting depth and speed. Music. Hamlon Dockmate. Finally, we have the Hamlon Dockmate Ship Preparation System, which is a mechanism designed to help in the cleaning of ship hulls. But how does this thing work? Well, this is made with huge high-pressure water technology to ensure that the ship hulls are cleaned in a quick and effective way. For instance, if the ship hull is not that dirty, the operator can adjust the pressure to suit the current needs. It can range from light surface cleaning to heavy-duty hull preparation. The dockmate can be customized to fit specific ship sizes with options for multiple cleaning heads, nozzle sizes, and pressure levels. This system is also made with the environment in mind. It only uses water for cleaning and does not use any chemicals or pollutants. It's also extremely safe, as it has an automatic shut-off and protective casing for high-pressure hoses. These are just some of the most incredible machines across different fields. If you want to get to know the technology behind a specific field, you can check out our channel to find videos on impressive transportation machines, construction equipment, and so much more. So, what are you waiting for? Come with us and learn more. That ends our video for today. We hope you've learned a thing or two. If you did, please like this video and leave a comment in the comments section below. We'd love to hear your thoughts, suggestions, and reactions. If you want similar videos, do not forget to subscribe to us and click the notification bell so you can get notified whenever we post new videos. Until next time, bye.